Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be creating RecyclerView inside the Fragment. I have already created a video of RecyclerView inside an activity, so the process is quite similar, but still beginners are kinda confused, hence we will clear all this confusion in this video. So this project is a continuation of my previous video where I have created navigation drawer and bottom navigation where you can switch from one fragment to another fragment in bottom navigation as well as in navigation drawer. You can use your own fragment project as well, that is also fine. So we will be creating a recycler view in HomeFragment like this way. This is a quick little preview on how our project will look by the end of this video. It's kind of like a clone of YouTube homepage, right? Where we have thumbnail, title and channel details. So yeah, with that said, let's get started with our project. First, go to colors.xml. Here we already have black, white and red color. So we will add another color for that. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the line. Then name it as gray. And hex value as D3, D3, D3. Okay. Then we need to add 6 drawables. Here we already have previously added vector assets. Now we will add 3 thumbnails and 3 channel logo. Okay. So let me quickly copy paste all the drawables. And it's done. As you can see, we have successfully added 6 drawables. Now all the prerequisites are done. Let's move on to create recycler view in our home fragment. This is our home fragment. So let me remove all the unnecessary code. We will be using frame layout, which will help the fragments to replace each other seamlessly. So add recycler view. Keep both of them as match parent. And then give the ID as home recycler view. As we have used custom toolbar and bottom navigation bar, so we need to make sure that we leave that space, otherwise it will overlap each other. So for that, I will give top margin as 60 dp and then bottom margin also as 60 dp. Now as we are creating recycler view, so obviously we will need a recycler view item as well, right? So right click on layout folder, then new and then layout resource file. Write the file name as item_video. Then keep the root element as linear layout and then click OK. Here we'll be creating 2 image view and 2 text view. Image view will be for thumbnail and channel logo and text view will be for video title and channel name. Got it? So make sure linear layout parent orientation is vertical. Then first we will create thumbnail. So for that we will use image view. Keep the height as 200 dp and ID as video thumbnail. Then add all the other attributes as well. Now we will create horizontal linear layout. And then inside that we will create a channel image. So for that, create an image view. Keep the size as 40 dp. And ID as channel image. Then add all the other attributes. Now we will again create a linear layout but keep the orientation as vertical this time. Then inside that we will create a text view which will be our video title. So add all the necessary attributes. I know text is not visible here because text color is white, but it will be visible on Fragment because the Fragment background color is black. Okay. Then we will copy paste the text view that will be our channel name. So change the text color as gray. Then all the attributes as well. And it's done. As we are creating recycler view, so we will require data class as well as adapter class. So first let me create a data class. So right click on package name, then new and then Java class. I'll name it as video item. Here we will add all the items that are present in recycler view. So let me quickly create all the variables. Video thumbnails, video title, channel name, and channel image. Now we will require a constructor. So right click, then go to generate and choose constructor. Select all the variables as well as class and then click OK and see our constructor is ready. Now as we need to access those data, so for that we will require getter. So right click, then go to generate and choose getter. Select all the variables and click OK. And see, we have all the getter for our variables. Perfect. So we are done with our video item. Now it's time to create adapter. So adapter always acts as a bridge between UI and data. Okay. So right click on package, then new and then Java class. I'll name it as VideoAdapter. Now as we are creating recycler view, so extends recycler view dot adapter. Inside that adapter, we will have VideoAdapter dot video view holder, which we have not created. So let's create a video view holder class. That extends RecyclerView dot view holder. So let me quickly create all the 4 variables. And done. Now click on implement super constructor and it will automatically going to create it for you. Here we will attach all the variables with their respective item. So let me quickly do that. And it's done. Now let me create a list. Inside that we will have the video item class. And store it in a video list variable. Now we need to create a constructor. So right click, go to generate and then constructor. Select variable as well as class and then click OK. And see, constructor is automatically created. Now click on implement methods and select all the methods and then click OK. So we have three methods: onCreateViewHolder, onBindViewHolder and getItemCount. So first let us write code for onCreateViewHolder. So here we will attach item video XML with a recycler view. So for that, create view and with the help of layout inflator, inflate the item video layout. Then return item view. Next we will call video item class. And store video list position in that. Then with the help of holder, we will set the resources which we will get them through the getter that we have created in video item class, right? And similarly, we will create for all the other variables as well: video title, channel name and channel image. The last method is getItemCount. So it will return the video list size. And that's it. Now we will connect everything in HomeFragment. This is how default fragment will look alike. So let me quickly remove all the unnecessary code. Only these three should be present. So first let me create all the variables. And done. Keep the empty constructor as it is. Then move on to create a new method called as generate video item. Here we will create a new array list that will be stored in video items variable. Then add recycler view items inside the video items array list. So make sure that you follow the exact position for each item. So here first we have thumbnail. Then video title. Then channel name. So in the channel name I have added views and time as well. And then last we have channel image. So I'll add the respective drawable. Similarly, let me create two more items. And it's done. Then return the video items. Now inside the onCreate view, first store the layout in root view variable. And then store generate video item method in video list. Now we need to set up a recycler view. So initialize it first. Then set layout as linear layout manager. Then we need to store video list in the video adapter. And then set the video adapter on the recycler view. Lastly, return the root view. And that's it. Now let's run the app. Alright, we have done a minor mistake over here. As you can see, only one RecyclerView item is visible, but we have created 3 items, right? So here one item is taking an entire screen, big cows. Go to item video.xml, and here we have set both of them as match parent. That is incorrect. So instead, set the height as wrap content. Okay? Now click on apply change, and see, we have 3 items in our RecyclerView. Perfect. It is kind of lagging, but it will work seamlessly in your physical device, okay? Also, we can switch from one fragment to another fragment. Here we have a RecyclerView item with video thumbnail, channel logo, video title, and also the channel name with views and time. Perfect. So yeah, that is it for the video, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.